So I'm very excited that my Fikabröd monthly subscription came today. Right now, I've been dealing with a lot of stress. We discovered a leaky pipe in our house that led to mold remediation. The work's all done, but we still have no hot water. So my stress level has been through the roof. So I needed this pickup of this subscription box. What is it? Well, we're going to find out because this is my first time receiving the box. So in this box, there's all kinds of kitchen goodies, and I'll give you a little sneak preview of what's inside. So I'm going to go through it and share what I received. First, you get, let's see, some information, and this is a little card. Fikabröd. I'm probably not saying it right, but I'll leave the link so that you can see how it's being spelled or how it's said. And in this box, there's all kinds of fun stuff. Here's a little card. It has a card that shows what's included in the box. And this monthly box is all about food items. So I'm a cook. I love cooking. I love food in general. So I'm so excited to see what's in this box. So I'm going to start going through this box and show you. First, we have a can cozy. Kind of cute. Sun's out. Cinnamon buns out. That's cute. And then this box, they just knew who I was. Everything spice. I'm crazy about everything spice, and I ran out of everything spice. I love putting this stuff on my vegetables, homemade bagels. So, and I'm looking at this. I mean, this has chunks of garlic and sesame seeds. This, so is a thing of everything spice. Excited to try that. The next item is Duke South All Natural Pickles. Sweet Soul Shine bread and butter pickles. I'm not really a pickle person, but when I do eat pickles, the bread and butter ones are the ones that I enjoy. And looking at this jar of pickles, these are good looking chunks of pickles. They're grown in Georgia, and I'm just loving all the natural, non-GMO ingredients. The next is a watermelon flavor. I don't know if you can see that. So this is a flavoring to use kind of like a vanilla flavor, but it's watermelon flavor. So you can use it in, let me look at the card. You can use it in baked goods, candies, drinks. So it gives you the flavor of watermelon. And there's a recipe that you can look up for watermelon sugar cookie cake. This is made by Loran Oils. And the Everything Spice bagel topping, which I forgot to look at the name, was Bork Street Bakery. And the pickles were Duke's South. I'm probably not saying these right, but I'm doing my best. And then the next one we have in here, Supernatural Field Day Sprinkles. That looks pretty cool. They're like sprinkles, green and yellow and white sprinkles. And they're made with natural colors. Field Day Sprinkles Supernatural. These sunny sprinkle melody features green grass jimmies, bright happy flowers, and spears. It's vegan and artificial dye-free. I love that. There's no artificial flavors in it. This is going to be good for making cookies, like sugar cookies. I love making sugar cookies. And once you know it, the next thing in the box is a star cookie cutter. I think this box is telling me I need to make some cookies, some cutout cookies with the star cookie cutter. And the cookie cutter is from Ann Clark. It's a little star cookie cutter. And so then we'll look through the box. And next we have, looks like popsicle sticks. Let me see who those are from. I'm not really seeing them on the list of stuff, but they're just some wooden popsicle sticks. And then we have Here's a box. The next goodie is these cute little molds. New York cake. Let's see. Cake's a cold mold from New York Cake. Make hot summer days even better by creating your own ice cream pops, cakesicles, or popsicles. So I'm thinking you can like put some chocolate in there, some melted chocolate, some ice cream, and make ice cream bars. How fun is that? I mean, they're just, the shape is just so cute. So looking through, there's really nothing else in there. And then there's this sign about We Care. Your order was mindfully packaged using eco-friendly materials. So I love that everything here is eco-friendly, from the confetti, which of course I'll use again because that's just great for taking pictures, but it is eco-friendly if I want to toss in, I guess, my compost. I don't know if it can be tossed in my compost. I don't really know about that, but it's going to break down the earth. So yeah, this was it's a subscriber box, and there's a discount code in here, which I'll make sure that I share with you in the comment section. So you can actually, I take that back. The discount code expired in July, so I guess I won't be sharing the discount code with you, but I will share the link to this fun box. But this box has all kinds of food goodies, baking, cooking, and it was just a perfect box for right now. I needed this little pickup. I can't wait to see what is in next month's box. But I'll leave the link so you can get more information about this cool box of food items. Again, it's from Fikabröd box. It's a monthly subscription of food items, recipe items. It's just a fun box that I'm looking forward to receiving every month. I'll leave the information in the comments.